Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priya and today I'm here with another journal. This is a custom order from my dear friend Randy, and she wanted me to make a journal called Love, which she wants to use for her Bible verses. And okay, so let me start talking about this journal. This journal comes in a pretty bag. This is a net kind of fabric and it has this pretty closure with this embellishment. So, and let me open it. So that is how it looks like, and then I have this pretty embellishment. She wanted me to make these fabric beads specifically, and if you want to know more about these fabric beads, I have done a tutorial on these fabric beads and I will put the link to that tutorial in the description box below. So that is about it. And this is the journal inside, and so that's the bag here. Let me put it away now. Okay, so this is a little something. I will talk about it after the journal. So let me quickly first take you to the journal. So this journal, the primary color used here is pink because that's her favorite color, and I also use a bit of orange with little hints of red. So that's the closure of the journal. So that's how the cover looks like. I have this, it's a fabric covered journal, hardbound fabric covered, and that's a pretty fabric here. It's highly textured. It's a beautiful fabric, and on the cover here I added this chipboard accent, and then again I added these fabric beads here. That's the spine, and then here I made a window and I did this little painting myself, and I wanted this painting to have the same orange and pink color as the cover. And there is this little embellishment here. This is I made like a tassel here with some fabrics, and these are some orange and pink tassels. That's a vintage key, and it says Love, which is the name of this journal. So I thought this key will look quite appropriate here. So that is how this journal looks. It is quite a big one with around 180 pages, counting front and back. Yeah, so let me take you through the journal. So I added this. It's a pretty highly textured, like it almost feels like velvet, this paper. So I used it here as well as on the back of the back cover. Right. So this journal, you can see that pink and orange are the primary colors. Each page is then painted. So I did this technique in numerous journals before, where I tea dye them in multiple steps and then I paint them in gold if it is visible. It's not quite visible that well through camera, but this gold is really very metallic and it's quite shiny. And so I did the same technique here as well. I used these pattern pages on each paper, and then I kind of tried to blend them using ink dyeing and gold acrylic color on my printer paper. And each page has also been stitched on the edges so as to give a nice edging. And then I also added fabric embellishments on each page. Now this is the center of the signature. I have this pretty collage here. So it's each center of each signature has this pretty collage page, and it opens up into this pretty quite golden metallic looking paper. So that is how each paper looks. And I have used this technique, the same kind of technique, in three of my previous journal. One was Geisha's diary, then I made journal called Grace, then I made journal a Samurai Returns Blessing. And Randy requested me, she wanted me to make a same kind of journal with the same kind of style, and that's what I did here. And she wanted a lot of writing space, so again that's the collaged page here, and that is for writing. She wanted a lot of writing space, so there is a lot of writing space here. And each page, though the technique used in each page is same, but each page is quite unique in itself. So that's the center of the signature with collage here, and the center again, that beautiful textured paper, and these pretty laces. And I also added these vellum sheets in the front of each signature, and these vellum sheets are also, I like how the sound they make. These vellum sheets are also tea-dyed, and so you can see here how highly textured and beautiful this paper looks. So sorry, I was talking about the vellum sheet. So each vellum sheet is also tea-dyed. Morning. And then I painted the sheet in gold color, this one. That is how these pages look. I hope she likes it. And now we are on our last signature here, and these are these pages. I'm happy that how this journal turned out to be quite blingy and with a boho kind of style, which she was looking for. And it has a lot of pink in it, a bit of orange, and a lot of gold, and a little bit of red as well. Not extremely red, but yes, it has a little bit of red here and there. That is what she wanted, and I hope she's happy with it now. So guys, this is end of this journal, and that's how this journal looks like, with 5 signatures and around 180 pages. And along with the journal, I also made this little floating pocket. This floating pocket is also made from the same this paper, because I just love this paper, so I decided to use it on the floating pocket. And inside this I made these 2 tags. These are highly textured tags, and I will post a tutorial on making these kind of tags very soon. So these tags, and there's writing space on back of these tags. So these tags go in here, and that is how this journal looks. I hope you guys like this video and like the journal as well, and hope she also likes the journal. And thank you so much guys for being here with me, for your support, and I will see you very soon again. Thank you so much. Bye.